Hello everyone, so I always get questions about zero waste and vegan hair care, and simply put, for like shampoo and washing, I just got out of the shower and I used bar shampoo and bar conditioner, but after I get out of the shower I use a CBD hair growth serum and it looks like this, and I make it myself. It's super easy, so I just wanted to share the recipe. It's also in my Holistic Hacks ebook for anyone that wants to check that out as well. I mean, there's like 80 recipes of what I do on a daily basis or like a weekly basis in there, and a ton of tips and stuff like that. But basically, here's the recipe. So I have my aloe vera plant and I just harvested some, and on the inside it looks like this. It looks like jelly, and I actually will rub this on my skin as a moisturizer, put it under my eyes if I'm ever sunburnt from living in Florida. So it's really good that way. But I will take the insides that's clear and gel-like, and then I will put it through the Vitamix until it's all pulpy, and then I'll take the green and I will compost it. And then I'll add melted coconut oil. So I literally just have this sit outside in Florida in the heat and it liquefies. So that's really great. And this is bulk coconut oil, and I just repurposed the jar. It used to be Sustain Yourself Zero Waste deodorant. And then I'll add 10 drops of CBD. For you all that know me and follow my journey, like, you know I love CBD, and this is New Leaf, so this is the only brand I use because with CBD you get what you pay for, and this stuff is top notch. I feel the difference and I see the difference. Like, I don't know if you could see right now all the little hairs growing on my head. I use this every day. I take it internally and then also use it on my scalp. And I mean, with CBD, I know some people are like concerned about the price, but it's one of those things where it's like, I put all my money towards organic food, clean water, and organic CBD. And then my friends have the company, so they offer the code Sustainable Duo for 20% off. So that takes anywhere from like $10 to $500 off, depending on your order. And then I'll also add 5 drops of essential oils, and I'll mix it in here and then blend it all in the Vitamix, and then I will open it. I already applied some before this video actually, because I just decided to do this, but I'll like dip my finger in there, and then I'll take that much and rub it all through my scalp, and then I'll brush it into my hair. And you can also use this like as a really good moisturizer, like on your forehead, on your skin. I mean, it's great for anything, but you'll feel that tingling in your hair, and then you'll see little hairs start to grow. So that's pretty much it, and all vegan, no toxins that are like gonna be hormone disruptors or anything. So I recommend this for anyone and everyone. It's great. So yeah,